How to fix Windows Defender is not opening on your computer. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go in and solve this issue. Now, first thing you'll need to do is open up your Start menu. You then need to type in Windows Security, right click on the application and press App Settings. Now scroll down to Terminate and click on the Terminate button. You'll then need to scroll down to Reset and click on Repair. And then finally scroll down again and press Reset and click on the Reset button. Now once you've done this, close out of this window and then come down to your taskbar in the bottom right hand side of the page. Now if you have any third-party antiviruses on your computer, you'll need to go and close out of these before trying to open Windows Defender. So you can see right here I have Malwarebytes, so I can just go and right click on this application and I can quit out of it like so. Now you'll need to do the same for any antiviruses that you have open. So this could be Norton or AVG, basically any antivirus in your taskbar. Now if it's still not working, go and open up your Start menu again, search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now from this window, you need to go and type in a couple of commands. So we're going to type sfc /scan now and then press enter. Now this will check your computer for any damaged or corrupted files. So you just need to wait for this verification to get to 100%. And once the scan's finished, you then need to go and type in the following: DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health, and make sure to capitalize the letters as you see here. You can then press enter, and once again you'll need to wait for this tool to get to 100%. Now if it's still not working, we can try reinstalling the Windows Defender. So open up your Start menu, search for PowerShell, and then right click on Windows PowerShell and run as administrator. Now you'll need to go and type in the following command. I've got this saved on my notepad and I'll leave this in the video description and you guys can come and copy and paste this as well. So we're just going to paste this in and press enter. Once again, you can check to see if your Windows Defender is now opening. If you're still having an issue, there is one final solution. So open up your Start menu again and this time click on Settings. From the left hand side, select System, scroll down to Recovery and click on this. Next to reset this PC, press Reset. Now this is going to reinstall Windows on your computer. So you have two options to either keep your files or to remove everything. Now we're going to select Keep My Files to make sure none of our data is deleted. It will ask how you want to reinstall Windows, press Local Reinstall, and then you can basically go through the steps to reset your computer. Now this won't delete any of your personal data, but just bear in mind that any third-party apps that you may have installed on your computer, you will need to go and reinstall these after it's been reset. So that's how to fix the issue where Windows Defender is not opening.